Sakari's best friend, the mailman.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Good. It's getting better. It's hitting it pretty good. Not afraid of it. No, that's good. It's catching it. We gotta work on that. Yeah.
Larry!
They're like afraid of the first thing. Yeah.
Hey, Larry! Ooh! Bungol is Larry.
Oh no!
You gonna play ball this year? Are they gonna have ball this year? You know, I mean, I've seen down the field.
Betong doon is Larry, kay bungol.
Absolutely. Maybe next year. We'll keep practicing. That's what you got practice.
Larry, say hi to my vlog!
Ginagawa mo.
Say hi to my vlog!
Hi to your vlog. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. How's everybody?
Thank you!
A few moments later.
Strike one.
Ah, strike one, di yung kakamao. Uy, good job! Good job, Zach! Uy, good job! I almost hit. I almost hit. Unsa man kung bunal sak, mura man kag-inday. Uy, di na inday, di ay. My boys are playing, what's that called, Zach?
Baseball.
Baseball. Hello, guys! Ha? Basketball? Ha? It's not basketball, it's baseball.
Oh, okay.
It's a good exercise for you, da. And for Zach.
Yeah.
I thought you guys are busy in the garage. But you guys busy playing, doing nothing, huh?
Yeah. Cause it's spring. Right, Dad?
Sons and fathers do, Mama.
Zach, maybe you need long pants. What do you mean, no?
Fine.
It's cold. I get cold, though. Boom! Uy, good job, honey. Good job, da. Ooh!
Wow. Kind of killed me. That's 3 in a row. Ready?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Strike one.
What is strike one? You don't know how to bat properly.
Yes, I do.
Okay. He's hitting it.
I think I'll do this.
All right. Good shot.
Meanwhile.
I'm going to labay this one. Vacuum nga abog. I'm going to labay this air. And that plane. Nagpinaw ko. Eh, katugnaw. Tugnaw. Mano sila pang tugnaw. Tugnaw. Diri tabi. Diri. Diri tas kilid. Naisapa diri guys. Naisapa diri guys. Very nature. Pero sirain ko ang kanitsure-nituran. Kaya marunong gihapon. Wala ba ni siya? Sa kainganaan. Huwag mong sirain. Tapon tayo ng abog naman ito guys. Abog ra. So okay lang yan. Abog lang ito. Oh, abog lang. Hinapon ko. Hindi naman madahon-dahon or mapit. So okay lang.
The next day.
Hi guys. Ato ni sekreto ng vlog. The parrot is there. What are you doing, Xavier?
Wait.
I like your haircut.
Thanks.
Ah.
Thanks. It's my turn.
Ah, hinambing
Baby
sa-
daddy.
Huh? What? What do you say? What do you say?
Goddamn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Say hi to my vlog, Dimya. Say hi to my vlog. Say like and subscribe. Come on. Like and subscribe. Xavier, say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and I will
Xavier, can you say like and subscribe?
subscribe.
See?
Oh, I got you.
Marty was there.
Oh, hindi lang kasi na dire.
She was the nicest, sweetest
Yung mga langga.
Cousin Marty? It's a canvas. The inside is rubber, the outside is canvas. And you just spray it whatever you want. And it's 7
Meanwhile, much later.
Yung mall dito guys,